y'all see these door panels, don't worry about it. I had to do some tuning up on the speakers, and I had to remove the little window button, the little window control module that makes it go up and down the driver's side door, because it broke. And I guess the thing was moving around too much, and I got tired of that. I'm trying to rebuild it from ground up. Same thing with this one. And sorry about the camera. It's a cheap ass camera, and it always has a hard time adjusting. So anyway, I'm gonna pop the hood and let y'all see it, and that's it. That's all I'm gonna say. If y'all like, you like. Don't like, whatever. But as I said, I'm not done working on this truck just yet. That's all.